Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf and I've managed to get the spring set of Furby Furblets, Nug-Ette and Swee-Dee. Now these were quite a pain to get. I ordered them from American Amazon and the original package went missing. So I ended up, by that time they'd come on the UK Amazon and I ended up ordering them from there. But I think they came from Germany or somewhere, so there you go, that's the story for them. So the box is quite pretty and spring-like. They've got sort of flowers around everywhere, and it's actually got like a to and from thing in Furbish on the left-hand top corner. And from what I've heard, these Furblets also have new voice clips. So let's open them up and see what they're all about. Now, which end of the box did I actually open? I cut the tape before I did this so that I'd be able to get them out. That's one. And you've got like a sort of a cardboard separator in there. And that's the instructions, where we all know how to operate them. And there's Nug-Ette hiding in the end. There we go. So here they are, Nug-Ette and Swee-Dee. So let's have a look at them. Now, I'm using the ring light again. Of course, it's right in front of my table where I film, so I've got to reach around it, which is a bit annoying. But the colours are nicer when I use this, and it's a dull day again, so it might start raining later, you never know. So yeah, that's my setup now, and I will do it for whatever videos I feel appropriate, you know, in the future. So Nug-Ette is made of this kind of soft, long-furred, fluffy, like a chick, really fluffy fur, with a really brightly coloured little tuft of fur on its head. It's sort of pink going into yellow, bright orange underneath, with a tag that's like a turquoise colour with an orange little bit of thread connecting it to the furblet. And oh wow, it actually makes little bird noises. That's cute. So looking at the eyes here, you can see that they've got all this little sort of detailing around the eyes, and it's got flowers in its actual eyes as well. And it's quite nicely decorated, very spring-like. Reminds me kind of Mardi Gras, actually. So let's see what else this one's got to say. Certainly tweets a lot. Well, so far I'm quite impressed. It's nice to have new sound clips in them because, as we know, the Wave 4 Furblets did not. And the little songs it makes are really good as well. The whole tweeting and, you know, the chimes and things like that. I like that. It's pretty good. It's refreshing to see a Furblet that's got some new content in it, because, as you know, the others that I've been reviewing haven't. In fact, I didn't even bother getting Moo Boo or Tybee, because they're just... From now on, I think I'm going to get the Furblets either that have new voice clips or that I like the colours of. So I've got Zebra on the way. I did originally order Zebra with these guys, but the package, of course, went missing. So I have since reordered Zebra, and Zebra is coming from America. So we go on to Swee-Dee. Now, Swee-Dee reminds me of the Furby Boom that they did that had the Easter theme. And I quite liked that one, but I never managed to get one. It's got very sort of bold underside here. It looks kind of like an Easter egg with the stripes. And it's got a little fluffy bit there coming off the top of its head. It's kind of slightly darker underneath at the roots and then paling out to a paler pink. And the clip on the back is orange, and it's got an orange bit of thread holding it to the Furblet. Oh, so this one tweets as well. Interesting. Again, it's got all the decoration around the eyes. This one's got butterflies. Yeah, both in its eyes and above the eyes as well, you can see there. Heart gem seems a bit wonky on this one. Hopefully it'll still work. So let's see what this has to say. So it does make different noises. It still does the tweeting sound, but it's in a different way. That's good. Came out the other end. So that's the pair of them. I'm going to put this one on and I'll have a look at them talking to each other. I believe yeah. So let's see what they say together. Well, they harmonise quite well, but I think that's all they're probably going to say. So, my final verdict on these guys, I think that it's quite refreshing that, I'm just going to turn them off actually. There you go. It's hard to talk over the top of them. Yeah, so I think that the new sort of voice clips they put in them are good. It is quite Eastery. I think both of them making tweeting noises. I don't know, it's kind of samey, but it's still good. I mean, it's better than what they've been coming out with reusing the voice clips. I understand why they do it, but yeah, I suppose it's only people who collect all of them would really notice, like, well, us, you know, people who are enthusiastic about the Furbies. Yeah, so yeah, I like them. I think it's a nice little set. I think they should do more like this, because it would be, you know, just good and less sort of boring. And it's interesting also that they're tweeting. I hadn't heard them. I've not watched anyone's review videos or anything like that before I got these guys out. So it was all new to me. And the fact they make tweeting noises, I think that the other animal themed ones should have made other animal noises, you know? I don't think that they should have just reused voice clips. We were all hoping they'd moo like cows or roar like tigers. It would have just been nice. So anyway, yeah, I like the springtime set. I think it's nice. It would make a nice gift for someone. They sort of retail about $19.99 to £20 or $20. So yeah, it's a nice little set. So if you want to see more of these Furblets, you can click the boxes that come up below. If you enjoy what I do and would like to tip me, you can always send a tip over on Ko-fi. A link is in the description. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.